In this video, I will show you how to check copyright claims on YouTube. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from GuideWise. In YouTube, you want to go to YouTube Studio by selecting your icon or profile in the top right corner. Scroll down and select YouTube Studio. You then want to go to Content, which you can find in the left column. You will then see your channel content. There are a number of columns towards the right or middle of your screen. You will see visibility restrictions. Under restrictions, you will see copyright. You can then see the details. So copyright protect content found. The owner allows the content to be used on YouTube. You can then see the details and find out some more information. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.